Hi, good afternoon. I'm Gitalia Jedrick from grade 9 Tandang Sora. I will prepare coleslaw salad. Here are the ingredients. Mayonnaise, vinegar, pepper, salt, sugar, and shredded cabbage. Lang. Now, let's do the procedure. Now, let's combine the mayonnaise, vinegar, salt, and pepper, and sugar. And mix well. Second, add the cabbage. And mix well. Now, this is our finished product.